In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from your PayPal account. It's quick and simple, and by the end, you'll know exactly what to tap and why each screen matters. Start by opening the PayPal app on your phone, or if you prefer a computer, go to paypal.com in your web browser and sign in. Once you're logged in, the first thing you'll notice is your available balance at the top of the screen. And that number is the amount you can move out of PayPal right now. Even if it's a small amount like a $1 balance, that's totally fine. If you don't see a balance, it just means there's nothing available to transfer at the moment. Next, go to Wallet. On the app, you'll see Wallet at the bottom right corner. Tap it to open your wallet view. You'll see your PayPal balance again here. Tap directly on your balance to continue. This takes you to the area where you can manage that balance and choose what to do with it. On the next screen, you'll see a few options, including add money and transfer. Tap transfer, then choose transfer to bank. This is the option that moves your PayPal money to a bank account that's already linked to your PayPal. If you don't have a bank linked yet, you'll need to have that set up beforehand, since the transfer can only go to a connected account in your name. You'll now be asked how fast you want the transfer to happen. PayPal offers two common choices. Instant transfer sends the money within minutes in most cases, and it's great when timing is critical. Just keep in mind there's a small fee for the speed. Standard transfer has no fee and usually takes 1 to 3 business days. Business days don't include weekends or bank holidays, so if you choose standard late on a Friday, expect it to complete the following week. Pick the option that best balances cost and urgency for you. Fees, timing, and availability can vary by region and bank, so it's normal if your screen shows slightly different details. After you've selected your preferred transfer speed, tap Transfer at the bottom of the screen to confirm. PayPal will process your request and send the money to your selected bank account. You'll see a confirmation on screen, and the funds will arrive based on the transfer speed you chose. And that's it. You've successfully withdrawn money from your PayPal account. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more PayPal tips and tutorials.